Everybody, just want to give you a quick review. This is SnoreLess's Airflow Clip. This is great for snorers in specific. I snore a lot. My wife does not appreciate me snoring so much, and I don't blame her for that. I've tried a million different things, and this actually works. So the way this works is it dilates your nose so that you can get better airflow through your nose so you're not snoring. So see here we have the 3-pack. I actually have one on right now. That's what it looks like. It's just a piece of silicone. So I'm actually going to pull it out. You guys can see here. Just a little piece of silicone, super comfortable to wear, easy to clean as well, which I appreciate. And all you do is insert it into your nose and then press it all the way up. They have different sizes. The medium seems to work perfect for me. You get it pressed actually in there. But yeah, this actually works great. So if you're somebody that does snore and you have somebody that's like bothered by your snoring, you're waking up other people in the house, you're waking up whoever you're sleeping in bed with, highly recommend giving this a shot. I seem to be getting great results with it. Thanks for sending it over.